Welcome to the factory. They call it a school, but it's actually a training camp for the obedient.
Every lesson was a brick in the wall of your cage. They punished your questions until you forgot how to ask them. Now you just wait for instructions.
You thought you were buying a future, but you were actually financing your own enslavement. That diploma is just a receipt for a debt you'll never outrun.
They shredded your creativity to make room for standard procedures. They didn't want your genius, they wanted your compliance.
The system is a maze with no exit. They keep you running so you're too tired to realize you're in a prison. Movement is not progress.
Stay in your seat. Wait for the bell. Ask for permission to speak. They spent 20 years breaking your spirit so you wouldn't revolt. Graduation is just a transfer of ownership. From the classroom to the cubicle, the chains just got a little more expensive and a lot more invisible.
Look closely. The walls changed, but the rules stayed the same. You are still sitting in a row, still waiting for a boss to tell you you're good.
Your security is an illusion. You traded your youth for a promise they never intended to keep.
Wear the mask. Smile for the camera. Hide the fact that you are drowning in debt and dying of boredom.
They drain your energy before you even start the race. By the time you get the job, you're already a burnt-out battery for their machine.
The education ladder is built to fail. They sell you the steps, but they own the ground. Not climbing.
They didn't give you an education. They gave you a program.
The path they gave you is a loop. Work to pay for school. Go to school to get a better job. Work more to pay for the debt.
Every hour you spend in their system is an hour you lose for your own kingdom.
They sedate your ambition with small rewards. A grade, a title, a steady paycheck, anything to keep you from waking up and walking out. Stop calling it a school. It's a factory for the middle class. And the product they're manufacturing is a lifetime of quiet desperation.
Even when you win, you lose. Their rewards are just gilded bars. A better title just means a heavier chain.
You are a battery, drained of your dreams to power their reality. How much more of your life are you willing to give away for a grade? They want your labor, not your opinion. Your value to them is your ability to be silent and productive. Break the thread. Speak the truth.
Knowledge is a weapon, but they gave you a blunt one. They gave you just enough to be useful, but never enough to be dangerous to them.
The awakening starts when you stop asking for permission. You don't need their certificate to prove.
Delete the program. Stop believing in the labels anymore.
There is a path outside the system. It's a path of risk, uncertainty, and absolute freedom.
Your education is just beginning. The real world doesn't have a syllabus. It has opportunities for those who are brave enough to see them.
Build your own kingdom. Educate yourself. Learn the skills that actually matter. The cage door is open. All you have to do is walk out.
You have the key. You've always had it. They just made you forget where you put it. Use it. Unlock your true potential today.
The Matrix only has power because you keep paying the tuition. Stop paying. Start living.
You are free. Now go and create something that the world can't ignore.
This is Monkey Sense. Subscribe to stay awake. Join the rebellion. Let's finish what we started.